Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I'm doing a grocery haul and we just got back from Sam's Club. We went to Sam's Club, we also went to Home Depot and Walmart. I'm not going to share everything, but I am going to share everything that we got from Sam's Club and a couple of other things that I think you guys will be interested in. Over there I have some like random things that we needed for the house and for ourselves, so I just decided to include everything. I feel like I can't be myself yet in here because it's so empty and still echoey, so I'm really quiet, but girl, don't worry, once we get some more stuff in here, which I've already ordered a bunch of stuff. I am so excited for my next cleaning video, or actually the one after the one that was supposed to come out this week, but that's not actually coming out because gotta wait for approval. Anyway, we're here for the grocery haul today, so let's get started. At first, I got some more Ensure Plus. I use this as a protein shake. It's the one to me that tastes the best, so this is the one that I always get. I also picked up some 4-cheese ravioli. I've never had this one before. Jimmy Dean fully cooked turkey sausage patties. There's 24 in here, so this is for like breakfast. Basically just breakfast, or yeah, breakfast. Some more of these Uncrustables. These are super easy. It's just so much easier to just grab one of these, let it thaw and eat. And honestly, I eat more of these than the kids do. We got some more almond milk, 3 half gallons. For some reason, this box was opened. We also picked up some more almond milk. We always get this one unsweetened, and sometimes Sam's Club has the vanilla flavored unsweetened, but they haven't had it lately, so this is the one that we got. Some frozen sliced strawberries for smoothies, most likely smoothies. The kids been asking me for smoothies a lot lately, so I got these for them. I also have to get some of the breakfast essentials because that's so good with strawberries in it for the kids. So over here I have some ciabatta bread rolls. This other type of bread, I'm not sure, it's kind of like, oh, it says French. I'm not even gonna try. I'm not French. I don't even know if this bread is legit French, but it's so good. I got a washer and dryer. It's gonna be here on Tuesday. I cannot wait. I definitely need that badly. I'm tired of going back and forth to my apartment to do laundry. Some more multivitamins for the kids. I've never had this brand before. We usually just change. We don't always go with the same one. And it was the Ollie ones for kids or these ones, and Ruby said these ones. So that's the ones that we got. I might as well show you guys really quick. I take Ollie vitamins and I love these. Wasn't sure about the Goodbye Stress, and I'm still not 100% sure about it, but since it said Goodbye Stress, I picked it up. I don't remember. I think I got these at Target. Dates. The kids love dates. They're so good and so sweet. Velveeta, Big Bars. I've bought this in the past and the kids never ate it, but today Amir really liked it as a sample, so I grabbed a box. Some more Alfredo sauce. Only Ruby and I like this, but we all love pastas. Olive oil, a huge big one because we use olive oil for everything. So nice big jug of olive oil. That's a 3-liter bottle. More honey. We go through honey a lot. We use honey to sweeten, and I use honey in baking, so picked up 2 of those. Some mushrooms, strawberries. I normally get the red gala apples, but I decided to just get green this time and see what the kids think. I have one of these, and I've been wanting to make apple chips or sweet potato chips for so long and never did, but I think definitely since we have sweet potatoes too, I might do that. Big jumbo bag of potatoes, sweet potatoes. Did I already say bananas? We got more bananas. Amish blue cheese crumbles. This is so good on salads. I love blue cheese. 5 avocados. We got 2 bottles of this fresh squeezed orange juice at Sam's Club. It's so good. As you can see, the kids already had some of it. This will be gone. Both these bottles will be gone in the next 2 days. 2-3 days, these will be gone. All the food, I felt like that went by so fast, but I'm not really elaborate when I do my hauls. I'm basically just showing you guys what I got. At Home Depot, while buying my washer and dryer, I wandered off into like the organizational section. Never knew that Home Depot had so much to offer, but yeah, I'll definitely be going back. You guys know how it is. Once you move into a house, you want to buy all the new things. I'm planning to put this under my kitchen sink. This one I might put there as well. I'm not sure yet, but I had kind of an idea and I felt a little inspired by these, so I picked them up. I also got some more towel hangs. We left the other ones at the old apartment and I don't feel like going through unscrewing them just to bring them here. I also got a shower head. This is for my bathroom. I won't be using this for the kids' bathroom because I just, I'm scared with the cord that hangs down. My kids are so really little. God forbid they slip and this thing, like I said, hangs down. I know Ruby's 9 and she knows how to take a shower, but accidents happen, and just to avoid it, this will only be going into my bathroom. And the reason why I wanted this for my bathroom is so I could clean the shower walls and the shower doors properly in that small area, especially when I'm filming, it'll be really difficult for me to splash water on the wall. So I picked this up. Was that a fly? That fly came in because the back door was open. Oh, is that a mosquito? Oh my God. I hit it. Where did it go? Oh, that's what happens when you live in the woods. Freaking mosquito came in the middle of the day. Dove exfoliating body polish. I love anything that's exfoliating, and Dove is just amazing. It always smells great. Always leaves my skin soft. So I picked these up. Haven't smelled it yet. It's crushed macadamia and rice milk. Sounds so good. Can't wait to use this. A 4-pack of Secret deodorant because I have the space for it now, and it's just so much cheaper to buy things like this in bulk. Honestly, I'm so happy that I have the space to stock up and save more money. Herbal Essences always does really amazing scents. Since I was in middle school, I've always loved this brand. I haven't used it in a really long time. I only got the conditioner because I don't have any use for the shampoo. But this smells so good. Big old bottle of conditioner for me, and probably Ruby also because we got a lot of hair. So big bottle with the pump is a must for me, especially washing my hair in the shower. Complete chore. I picked up a pack of these last week. They didn't have these 2 colors. I got the other 2 colors that they have. I think it's a gray, like this one that she's wearing, and like a blacker looking one. So I'm so happy that I got 2 more. I love these sports bras from Sam's Club. And you wouldn't think Sam's Club for things like this, but they have a bunch of stuff. Nice, thick socks, low cut, thick socks, and they're all cute colors. I love these colors, they're so cute. And yeah, this is a lot of socks, but you guys know it's hard flooring and tile everywhere. I'm gonna be wearing socks even through the summertime. Right now I'm wearing some slides that I just picked up at Walmart. Definitely gonna be wearing socks inside because the floors are freezing and hard. I picked up some mouthwashes for the kids, some more toothbrushes for me and the kids, and I also got them some more toothpaste. And yes, they all have their own toothpaste because just germs, and I know they're all siblings. It just makes me feel a little bit more comfortable for them to have their own. So that's what I do. The last thing that I picked up was these 2 beautiful durable crates from Home Depot. Oh my gosh, when I saw these, I immediately was like, that's where my produce is gonna go, in the bottom of the pantry. We have a big space in there. The last thing that I got was a little bit of a splurge. For myself, I got some skincare products. Let me get them out of the bag so I can show them to you. The woman that sold me these products, just by the look of her skin, she had me sold. And she had no makeup on. If you guys normally wholesale shop, then you know that sometimes companies come in there, and I guess Sam's Club allows them to come in and sell their products. And this was what was there this week. The woman came up to me and she put some of the facial exfoliating gel on the back of my hand, and then she gave me some of the day moisturizing cream to put. Oh my gosh, it was so shiny, so smooth. I could actually see all the dead skin coming off just the back of my hand. Cannot wait to use this on my face. I just recently started using the Bobbi Brown buffing greens, and that's really good, but this right here, it was a good deal too. I got all of these products for $70. This isn't sponsored, by the way. There's a body lotion. I cannot tell you how soft the back of my hand was after she used this product on me. Also comes with a foaming facial cleanser, which I love. They're my favorite types of cleansers to use, foaming. The essential oils I'll most likely use for cleaning, or I'm not sure what I'm going to use the essential oils for yet, but they came with a deal. They came as a gift, so it just came with it. If I didn't do it at Sam's Club, I was going to do it on Sephora anyways because, girl, listen. Let me put y'all back on the tripod so we can talk. Yeah, girl, I went ahead and splurged on myself, got myself something nice, even though I normally would never spend an extra $70 at Sam's Club with a full cart of groceries and other things. But I packed up my entire apartment, unpacked it, cleaned there, cleaned here, got my nails done, got my toes done. It was a pretty bad job. I'll never be going back to that place, but the way they looked when I walked in there, I was like, you know what? I'm over tipping and never coming back. I seriously did do that, and I'm really not going back. I have to find a nice nail salon where I live. I've been doing so much, you guys. It's a lot. Like, living in a house is totally different. You have a lot more responsibility on you, all that I'm getting used to, and we are renting. A lot of people think we bought the house. No, we didn't buy the house. We're renting, but they did say do whatever you want with it. So the light fixtures and a couple of other things that you guys will see will be changed. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will definitely probably be making more random grocery hauls like this to cover up the fact that my cleaning video is still not out yet. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Let's get started. Should I get my thumbnail or should I start the grocery haul? How do I pose with my butt nail sticking out? Did I already mention that it was gonna be echoey in this video? I probably did. I'm such a bad YouTuber. Picked up some Jimmy Dean fully cooked turkey, sausage. Filming, I'm by myself and they're probably watching me over here cracking up. My window and my neighbor's window is right there. They're probably like, why does this girl have lighting and a tripod? What is she doing with all these groceries out on her counter? They probably already see me dancing all over the place a couple of times already. They definitely know that I like music and I like to dance from morning until night. Okay, seriously.